CATHEXISVision's adjacent camera tracking feature removes any tricky issues associated with accurately tracking a subject through a maze of camera views, making it easier to accomplish than even following an already highlighted series of camera views. After entering the site setup screen, choose the adjacent camera tracking icon to open the configuration screen. You'll be presented with three areas on the screen: the camera pages, the resources area, and the camera mapping canvas screen. To maintain organization, we can create a folder and inside the folder create the camera mapping page. This is as simple as clicking the new folder icon and naming it. Now select the cameras from the resources and click the arrow to add it to the canvas. Adjacent camera tracking uses arrows superimposed on the view to allow for the easy tracking of the subject. If the link between the camera is already there, it means that there is another page where they are already linked. This will have no adverse effect on the operation. The cameras can also be repositioned on the canvas to allow for an easier understanding of the setup. If a link between cameras needs to be created, follow the on-screen prompting. Hold the Shift key and left-click and drag the link between the cameras. Right-click on the camera on the canvas and select Properties. From the resulting window, choose the direction of the arrow to best suit the logical path that describes the camera layout. Once complete, click Apply. Open the camera viewing screen. Tracking a subject is now as easy as clicking the arrows. Even if the subject being tracked quickly changes direction, it remains easy for the operator to continue to accurately track, as is the ease of correcting an error made while tracking. Thank you for watching.